Yo, what is up, guys? Yo, what is up, guys?
Wait, one more time.
Yo, what is up, guys? We're here today with my sister, who I don't believe you guys have had the pleasure of meeting yet. What are we doing today, Ark?
We are going to pick up my first car.
How exciting is that?
It's so cute. It's got a sunroof and leather seats.
Parking sensors. Very advanced for its time, and when we get there you guys will see the head unit, which I think is super cool. This is the beginning of Ark's car journey, so we're glad to have you on board, Ark. She's already got some plans for it.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some ambient lighting, footwells and EL wires, I think that's what it's called.
Nice.
And I'm also going to... What am I going to do? Oh, a head unit.
Yeah, there we go. I love how she remembers the $30 lights, but not like the $700 head unit. Any plans for wheels? Or not
yeah,
yet.
Look, I do actually like black wheels, but I don't know if I like black wheels on a black body.
Wow, that's with the Gallant sitting in the garage.
Oh, actually, maybe.
You park like a Corolla driver already. Alright, we're back and we are in Ark's new whip.
My whip.
What do you think?
It feels like a bubble. I feel like I'm in the B movie.
This is actually slightly different to what's conventionally known as a Corolla, and apparently this is an Auris, a Toyota Auris, which I've literally never heard of prior to today.
I really genuinely feel like I'm in the B movie.
This whole bubble narrative, you're really sticking to it, aren't you?
No, I really don't.
Alright, you gonna do your first pull?
Should we go?
Yeah, go, plant it. Wow! Look at the speed! Alright, stop. How'd it feel?
Very cool.
Wow. Let's hear the horn. Right, everyone, ignore the fact that Ark has a completely different hair color. This is still the same day. It's just been very eventful. We're about to initiate the Corolla ascent into the Gutter Gang fleet. So Ark's chosen which sticker?
Gutter Gang.
Gutter Gang, because she's fresh, she's cool, she's young, she's hip. Gutter Gang. Welcome to the club.
Thank you. Newest member.
And there you have it, the newest member of the Gutter Gang fleet. It's all going to be a bit of good fun. Hopefully we can convince Ark to, do a few things here and there to the Corolla and potentially turn her into a proper car grill. Fingers crossed. But I think we're going to have a bit of fun with this mini project. So stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.